Understanding and catering to your partner's desires while cross-dressing can open new avenues of connection and intimacy. Communication is paramount. Take the time to discuss fantasies, boundaries, and preferences openly. This not only ensures respect, but also deepens emotional bonds. Surprise him with spontaneous gestures that align with his likes, perhaps an unexpected outfit change or a private dance, and watch as excitement ignites between you. Exploration should be mutual and enjoyable for both parties. Experiment with makeup and wardrobe styles together, transforming ordinary evenings into extraordinary fantasy role plays. Moreover, paying attention to subtle cues during intimate moments can make all the difference. Listen to his responses, both verbal and nonverbal, adjusting your actions accordingly for maximum pleasure. By embracing vulnerability and creativity in tandem, your relationship will flourish in ways you never imagined possible. Understanding and communicating with your partner is fundamental in any relationship, but it becomes even more crucial when navigating the dynamics of cross-dressing. Open and honest conversations create a safe space for both partners to express their feelings, needs, and concerns. Instead of making assumptions about what your partner thinks or feels, take the time to ask meaningful questions and listen actively. You might discover shared interests or potential compromises that were previously unspoken. Moreover, communication is not just verbal. Nonverbal cues can be incredibly telling. Pay attention to body language and emotional responses during discussions about cross-dressing. Sometimes it's what's left unsaid that reveals the most profound insights into your partner's inner world. Establish regular check-ins to gauge comfort levels as both individuals navigate this unique aspect of their relationship together. Through empathy and a willingness to understand each other's perspectives fully, you can build an inclusive partnership where both partners feel respected and valued. Lastly, consider setting boundaries that are mutually agreeable while being flexible enough to evolve over time. Boundaries aren't rigid rules, but guidelines that help maintain balance between personal expression and mutual respect within the relationship. When approached thoughtfully, these conversations can transform from potentially daunting tasks into empowering experiences that fortify trust and deepen connection between you both. Selecting the right outfit is a powerful way to express your affection and understanding of your partner's desires. When cross-dressing to impress, consider garments that accentuate the features you both find alluring and exciting. Instead of sticking with stereotypical clothing choices, explore diverse styles that reflect both of your personalities. Experiment with bold prints, luxurious fabrics, or chic accessories. Think beyond the binary constraints. Discover how gender-fluid fashion can add an edge to your look while maintaining authenticity. Communication is key when dressing to impress in a relationship context. Discuss openly what elements your partner appreciates most, whether it's sleek satin dresses or playful skirts paired with tailored blazers. Incorporate their preferences into your wardrobe as a form of intimate collaboration. Pay attention to fit and comfort as well. An ill-fitting dress can quickly turn excitement into discomfort. Curating a wardrobe that embodies respect for their tastes reaffirms mutual admiration and strengthens emotional connections in thrilling new dimensions. Imagine stepping into a world where the boundaries of traditional gender roles dissolve, where clothing becomes an expression of inner freedom rather than societal expectation. For many couples, cross-dressing isn't merely about donning different attire. It's a journey towards deeper understanding, intimacy, and acceptance within their relationship. Whether you are new to this intriguing dynamic or seeking ways to enhance your connection with your partner, navigating the nuances of cross-dressing can be both thrilling and challenging. In this video, we'll unravel some practical tips designed to help you satisfy your partner as a cross-dresser, celebrating not just the transformation on the outside, but also fostering emotional closeness and mutual respect. From communication techniques that break down barriers to creative approaches for integrating cross-dressing into everyday life, these insights will empower you both to explore this vibrant facet of your relationship with confidence and joy. So take a step beyond conventional romance. Let's embark on an adventure that celebrates individuality while strengthening the bond you share with your loved one. Embracing your nurturing side as a cross-dresser can create deep emotional intimacy and strengthen your bond with your partner. When you engage in cross-dressing, think beyond the physical transformation and tap into the caring, empathetic aspects of yourself. Simple gestures like offering an attentive ear to listen to your partner's challenges or surprises that show thoughtfulness can significantly elevate your relationship. The act of wearing different clothing could be seen as a metaphor for shedding rigid roles and allowing true mutual support to flourish. Nurturing isn't confined to grand gestures. It lies in small, consistent acts of love and attention. Whether it's cooking their favorite meal while dressed in an outfit that makes both of you feel comfortable or spending quality time building each other's self-esteem, these moments create lasting impressions. Taking care of each other goes both ways. Showing empathy and understanding through the lens of nurturing helps ensure that both partners feel cherished and valued in unique ways every day. Prioritizing pleasure for both partners elevates intimacy to a profound experience, especially in cross-dressing scenarios. Honoring each other's desires and boundaries can create a rich tapestry of connection and sensuality. Open communication is paramount. Discussing fantasies, limits, and preferences ensures that neither partner feels overlooked or pressured. This dialogue can lead to discovering shared interests that might not have surfaced otherwise. Exploring roles beyond traditional dynamics redefines the essence of partnership. Imagine the thrill of mutual pampering sessions or experimenting with different costumes together. These actions foster equality and continue building on the trust required for deeper connections. Incorporating toys or props catering to both partners' pleasures turns this intimate exchange into an exhilarating journey where satisfaction thrives symbiotically. When both partners invest in each other's joy, you catalyze a cycle of giving that continually enhances mutual gratification. Focusing on each other's pleasure emphasizes emotional vulnerability alongside physical enjoyment. Recognize that shared orgasms are just one fragment of intimacy. Cherish those moments when your partner's eyes light up at feeling genuinely understood and adored. Building anticipation through small gestures, like whispering affirmations during unspoken moments, reinforces your commitment to their happiness, making every touch profoundly meaningful. The more attuned you become to each other's responses and needs, the more fulfilling this unique facet of your relationship will be, paving the way for endless discoveries together. Being mindful of your partner's feelings and desires is crucial, especially when navigating the unique dynamics of a cross-dressing relationship. Focus on open communication to understand her needs and boundaries better. Regularly check in with her about how she feels regarding your expressions of gender. Ensure that these discussions are empathetic and honest. This fosters a safe space where both partners feel valued. Moreover, share activities that resonate with her interests while radiating confidence in your presentation. If she enjoys fashion or makeup, turn it into a bonding experience where you both can experiment together. Support each other's personal growth and celebrate small milestones. This nurtures mutual satisfaction and deepens emotional connections. Being attentive, patient, and open can transform simple moments into profound experiences for both partners. Embracing your femininity is a transformative journey that goes beyond the choice of wardrobe. It is an act of self-acceptance and genuine self-expression. When you truly embrace your femme side, you not only exude confidence, but also facilitate deeper emotional connections with your partner. Pay attention to the subtle nuances, how certain fabrics feel against your skin, or how a specific scent can make you feel both powerful and graceful simultaneously. To fully embody this experience, explore activities that traditionally enhance femininity, such as practicing elegant movement through dance or refining your makeup skills. These moments are not just about aesthetics. They empower you to feel in tune with every aspect of yourself. Involving your partner in this process can strengthen intimacy. They get to witness and appreciate the authenticity radiating from you. When you're at peace with who you are, it translates into a profound satisfaction for both partners, turning shared moments into cherished memories. Engaging in sisterly bonding activities can be an incredibly fulfilling way to support a partner who is a crossdresser. One transformative experience could involve shopping together for outfits, accessories, or makeup. Not only does this create an open environment of acceptance and excitement, but it also allows for thoughtful collaboration on how they wish to express themselves. Imagine the mutual joy unfolding as you experiment with styles and colors that highlight their personality and bring out their confidence. Moreover, consider indulging in spa days or beauty routines side by side. These activities don't just focus on exterior aesthetics. They cultivate closeness through shared rituals of care and relaxation. Pampering one another with facials or trying new skincare products creates intimate moments of trust and understanding. The act of taking time together dismantles walls, fostering deeper connectivity beyond mere companionship into a fortress of mutual empowerment and identity exploration. Understanding and exploring your partner's desires is crucial in any relationship, especially when one embraces the liberating journey of cross-dressing. Communication serves as the bedrock for this exploration. Initiate open, honest conversations about each other's fantasies, preferences, and boundaries. Have you ever wondered what unspoken desires your partner might be harboring? This deeper understanding not only fortifies trust, but also fosters a more profound connection. Delve into shared experiences. Consider trying out different looks and styles together. The simple act of choosing outfits or makeup can become an intimate bonding ritual that brings both of you closer, creating a playground where both partners feel seen and cherished. Remember to stay adaptive. Desires can evolve over time, so keep the dialogue alive and exciting by continuously exploring new dimensions of each other's wants and needs. Being sensitive and caring can profoundly impact your relationship, especially in the context of cross-dressing. Sensitivity involves more than just acknowledging your partner's feelings. It requires actively listening and creating a space where they feel understood and valued. Pay close attention to nonverbal cues and subtle hints about their comfort zones and boundaries. By doing so, you are not only expressing empathy, but also cultivating trust, a fundamental cornerstone for any relationship. Caring goes beyond mere actions. It's about genuinely nurturing your partner's emotional well-being. Show interest in their experiences, joys, and struggles with cross-dressing by asking questions that invite them to share deeper aspects of their journey. Your willingness to engage sincerely can help dismantle walls of insecurity or misunderstanding, forging a stronger bond between you both. Remember, the small gestures like giving compliments or offering reassurance when they're stepping out in their chosen attire can make an immense difference in boosting their confidence and happiness. One of the most enriching ways to satisfy your partner as a crossdresser is by celebrating your relationship in all its beautiful complexities. Embrace the diversity that each of you brings to the table, turning moments of uncertainty into opportunities for deeper connection and understanding. Schedule special days where you focus entirely on what makes your bond unique. Dress up together, share intimate conversations, or create new rituals that honor both partners' expressions. Rather than viewing cross-dressing as a solitary experience, make it a shared journey. Invite your partner to offer input on outfits, makeup, or accessories. Let their creativity intertwine with yours to form an even stronger partnership. By transforming this facet of yourself into something enjoyed collectively, you not only validate each other's identities, but also strengthen mutual respect and love. Celebrate the milestones you've achieved together. Each step forward in accepting and supporting one another deserves recognition. A romantic dinner after successfully navigating public appearances or cozy nights in with heartfelt conversations can work wonders. These celebrations foster an environment where both partners feel valued and loved just as they are, ultimately deepening the emotional intimacy between you two.